Hello lovely people, welcome back to the part 2 of this sewing tutorial, which we are going to learn how to cut and sew this beautiful dress with flowery design that you see on the screen. If you did not watch the part 1, I will drop the link on the description box. Go and watch how we drafted the pattern so then you can understand how we go along with the sewing. If today is the first time of you seeing me, you're welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the tutorial. So I've used my pattern to cut the fabric and the lining. These are for my upper bodice and this is my skirt part. So during cutting, I had to add 0.5 inches for the joining. I add it here as well, and also on my side panels. So the next thing will be for me to go ahead and take off all my patterns from the fabric. So I'll first of all work on my front piece. So what I will do will be for me to go ahead and join it. So I will just take it this way, starting from the down part. I'll make sure I match my underbust. I'm going to sew it up to this point, and I will do same for this other side. I'll repeat same for my linings, then I'll bring it for you to see. So I've joined my fronts, as I said earlier. Can you see? Even without padding, can you see how nice it looks like? This is the inside, and I've ironed it. This is my lining. Can you see? I've joined it as well. This is the inside, and these are my back panels. I've joined my back panels. Can you see? I've turned the neckline for the back and the armhole for the back. So what is remaining for the back will be for me to go to my overlocker and overlock this down part. And the next thing I will do now will be for me to join my front bodice to the lining. So I'll place it. This is my right side. I'll keep it right side facing each other. So I'm going to start from my neckline. I'll start from here. I'll use my 0.25. I will join it. When I get here, I will use 0.5. I'll join it. Then back here. Then after joining that, I will go and iron it. After ironing it, I'm going to sew my armhole. I'll join my armhole, and then I will turn it to the other side, and I will show you what it looks like. So I've gone ahead to join the neckline as I told you, and also my armhole. Then this is the inside. Can you see? And these are my back panel. I've overlocked the down part from my back panels. So what I will do now will be for me to keep this aside and work on my skirt part. I'm going to start with my front piece. So this is my front piece. I've pinned it to my lining, right side facing each other. So on the wrong part, I'm going to sew using 0.5 inches to this point. Then I'm going to iron it. I will turn it over and bring it for you to see. Then for my back piece, I'm literally going to do the same thing. I will place my right side facing up. What I will do will be for me to go to my sewing machine. I will still use the same 0.5. I'll join the lining to the main fabric. Then I will join the side for my zipper as well. Then I will turn it over and bring it for you to see. These are all my panels. This is the front. I've joined the lining and I've overlocked. The same thing with the back. And these are my two back panels for the skirt part. and this is my front panel. So now the next thing I will do will be for me to join my two back panels. To do that, I will go ahead and measure my joining allowance, right side facing each other. Then I'm going to go to my sewing machine. I will join it using my joining allowance. I'll do same for the other part of my back panel. So I've joined the scape as I said earlier. Can you see it to the main bodice? Then I've gone ahead to pin the both of my back panels together using pins. So the next thing I will do will be for me to measure where I want my zipper to stop. This is the zipper I'm using. I want my zipper to stop 2 inches above my hip line. So this is where my zipper will stop. And the next thing is for me to determine where I want my slit to start. So I want my slit to be 12 inches. Can you see from the hemline to where my slit starts? I want it to be 12 inches. So what I will do will be for me to go to my sewing machine. I will sew from this place all the way to this place. After sewing it, I'm going to attach my zipper. Then I will bring the outcome for you to see. So I've joined the down part as I said earlier. Can you see? This is the slit and this is the zipper. Can you see? This is my zipper. And I've gone ahead to attach my shoulder. Can you see? The next thing will be for me to attach my scape part for the front. So I will do that by placing my front piece right side facing up. And then I'm going to notch the center of my upper piece. That is the center front. I will place it right side facing each other with the center of my skate. Then I'm going to use my sewing allowance and attach it. After attaching it, I will show you the outcome. So I've attached the skate part to my upper bodice. So the next thing now will be for me to join my side seam. Then I will show you the final outcome of this beautiful dress. So I've joined my side seam. As you can see, I've joined my side seams and I've attached my zipper. This is the front side. So the next thing I will do will be for me to attach the flowery design that we have. But I'm going to show you how to do that because I'm not going to attach it on mine. So what I will do, you can use your paper first before you transfer it to your main fabric. You determine how long you want the flower to be. Then I will mark the center of this line. Then I'm going to mark another straight line. So it all depends on how big you want your flower to be. So I'm going to mark 3 inches from the center of this line. I'll mark the same 3 inches on this other line. The same on this and also on this other line. After marking it, I'm going to draw this is where creativity comes in. You can just draw any style that you would like your flower to be. Can you see? I'll do something on this other one. Can you see? So I'll go ahead and cut this. So this is it. Just go ahead and cut 3 of these. Then you can interface it so that it will give it stability. So after cutting your flowers, just go ahead and determine where you want to place them. So we just place it this way. You can decide to stone it. Place one here, place another one here, and place another one here. You can decide to stone it. Can you see? So that is how to create the flowers. So thank you so much guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share our videos, and turn on your notification bell so that when I upload new sewing tutorial, you'll be notified. See you on next video. Bye bye.